students, welcome back to MA Math channel, and this is Prakash, and today in this video we are going to discuss about few important questions in the polynomial chapter for the board exam only. So maximum in this there is only one concept only, means finding the zeros using splitting the middle term. After that one model it is there, how to find out the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So let's get into that. We have around 4 questions. If we cover all these 4 models, maximum we can attend 1 questions in this chapter. So let's get into the first question, and let me write the question first. First question. So here we have the first question, means first model. There are 2 different models as I said in this. Find the zeros of the polynomial. One model is x square plus 7x plus 10, and another model we have here 2x square minus 7x plus 3. See, when you are getting coefficient of x square more than 1, one step is extra, that you have to multiply this to the constant term. If no coefficient of x square more than 1, directly you can go with. So let us take the first question now. We have x square plus 7x plus 10. So let's take the first question. This is just direct model, means finding the zeros only. So let's take the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. So to find zeros we are using splitting the middle term, means let us find out the factors of 10. See, when you multiply the factors you should get 10, when you add you should get the 7. So first take the factors of 10. 2 5s are 10 or 10 1s are 10. Now there are 2 factors here, 2 and 5 and 10 and 1. In that, which one is a suitable factor? Means if you multiply here the product, multiply you will get 10. Same numbers if you add you must get 7. Then you see 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 you will get, and 2 plus 5 when you add you will get the 7. So the suitable factors are 2 and 5. So this is the way you can choose the factors. Then afterwards you can apply here x square plus this middle term, that 7x only we are splitting like 2 and 5, means 2x plus 5x plus 10. To find the factors we are splitting the middle term. This method is called only splitting the middle term. So now let us take the common factors from here. Here you can take one x common outside, then one more x will be there, plus 2. And here if you take 5 as a common outside, 10 2 times. So let us take here plus. Then again you take common factor x plus 2 outside, then remaining you will have x plus 2 into x plus 5. So these are the factors. If you want to find out zeros, then apply each factor equal to 0. Then x plus 2 is equal to 0, or one more x plus 5 is equal to 0. Your x equal to minus 2, your x equal to minus 5. Therefore the zeros, if you are taking the symbols as alpha and beta, alpha equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to minus 5. So these are the zeros of this polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. Now zeros is nothing but in place of x எந்த நம்பர் அப்ளை பண்ணா அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் 0 ஆகும் அப்படின்றத நம்ம இந்த மெத்தட்ல வந்து ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இந்த மெத்தட் பேர் வந்து splitting the middle term method அப்படினு சொல்லலாம், or we can say factorization method also. And finding the zeros பாத்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு 3 methods இருக்கு. அந்த 3 methodsல ஒரு மெத்தட் வந்து delete பண்ணிட்டாங்க. This is the one method, splitting the middle term method. And splitting the middle term, இந்த middle term வந்து இந்த மாதிரி split பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா, there is a formula in the 4th chapter, அதாவது quadratic equation chapterல ஒரு formula இருக்கு. Using that formula also we can find out the zeros. Okay, so இது வந்து direct model. Suppose coefficient of x square and more than 1, if you get one step is extra, you have to multiply this 2 to the constant term. If you multiply 2 3s are, you will get 6. Now constant 6, coefficient of x value will take here. Now what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6, 2 3s are 6 or 6 1s are 6. Your multiplication, here addition. Now select the suitable factors. If you multiply your 2 and 3, 2 3s are, you will get 6. Same numbers if you add here 2 plus 3, you will get 5. You will not get the minus 7. So we have to go for the some other factors. So this we cannot take. Then you think about here. 6 1 ja 6. You will get it. 6 plus 1 7. But you need a minus. So you can apply here also minus. Then there also minus. Then say here minus 6 minus 1 you will get minus 7. And here minus 6 into minus 1 if you multiply you will get plus 6. So that the common factors or suitable factors are minus 6 and minus 1, means the middle term you can split in this way. So let's apply now. Now we have 2x square minus 6x minus 1x plus 3. Now take the common factors in this. Second number 2 also we can take common, and 1x if you take common outside x. 6 second table how many times? 3 times. So again if you take here 1 as a common factor, then you will get here x minus 3. Okay. Now take x minus 3 common outside. If you take x minus 3 common outside, remaining you have 2x minus 1. Now to find out the zeros, apply each factor equal to 0. Then x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x equal to 3 and here x equal to minus 1, take opposite, plus 1. Then x equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the zeros, alpha is equal to 3 and beta equal to 1 by 2. Hence the zeros. But in the model the question maximum you will not get, you will get only in the 1 mark question. But this is the basic method, means this is the fundamental for the remaining questions. You should know how to find out the zeros either using the splitting the middle term or factorization method. So next we'll go to the important questions. So here we have the important question, means in this model only we'll get the questions for your board exams. And now let's read the question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 3, then find the value of. First we have to calculate the zeros for this polynomial using splitting the middle term. Then you can find out the values of these options. Maximum this model only the questions will come. So let's see now. First what they said in the question, alpha and beta are the zeros. So let us find out the alpha and beta value, means let's find the zeros using splitting the middle term. Take the polynomial now. We have the polynomial p of x equal to 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Before only we solved this question, means we found the factors using splitting the middle term. Let's find out down. Now we have here coefficient of x square more than 1, so we have to multiply to the constant term. Now 2 3s are 6. And take the coefficient of x value down, minus 7. So the factors of 6 1 are 6 or 2 3s are 6. So suitable factors we know 6 and 1. When you apply here both the place negative symbol, when you multiply you will get 6 1 are 6. When you add same you will get minus 7. So that the suitable factors minus 6 and minus 1. Now let's find out the zeros. 2x square minus 6x minus 1x plus 3. From this 2 we can take 2x common factor outside, then here x minus 3. And here if you take minus 1 outside, here we have x minus 3. Further if you take x minus 3 common outside, remaining terms you have 2x minus 1. Now to find out the zeros, let's apply each factor equal to 0. Then you will get x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x value will get 3 and here x value 1 by 2. Therefore alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 1 by 2. Whatever zeros you are getting, that we can name them as a alpha and beta. But next end up find out per number. First option 3 into alpha plus 3 into beta. First option 3 alpha plus 3 beta. We know alpha value 3. So let's apply now. 3 into alpha value 3 plus 3 into beta value we have here 1 by 2. So 3 3s are 9 plus 3 1s are 3 by 2. Let's add now. This fraction means you can take denominator 1 and do the cross multiplication, so that you will get 21 by 2 is the 3 alpha plus 3 beta value. Let's see the second option. Second option, we have alpha plus beta, means we have to add both the values. So alpha value 3 plus beta value 1 by 2. Take denominator 1 and do the cross multiplication. 2 3s are 6, 1 1s are 1, and 1 2s are 2. So therefore the answer is 7 by 2. Now let's see the last option we have here. Alpha square plus beta square. So alpha value we have here 3. Then 3 square plus beta value we have 1 by 2 square. So 3 square value 9, and 1 by 2 square 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 9 plus 1 by 8. Take denominator 1 and cross multiply. So 72 plus 1 by 8, which is 73 by 8. See, in this model not only you will get this, இந்த மாதிரி வந்து நிறைய terms வந்து find out பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க, but main concept என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா, we have to find the zeros first, and the zeros கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் whatever given in the question that we can solve. Hope that you understand this.